What's going on, everybody? I'm Brian, the B-Rex Beekeeper. So, did that hive make it? Remember? Killed the queen a couple weeks ago. Yes, it's been 2 weeks. I know. Been busy, alright? I didn't have a weekend last week. I worked my entire weekend. They didn't make me. It was open, so I took it. So, I didn't have any time to get out here in the bee yard. I have not added my frames to my long hives. 2 weeks now, so we'll see. Brazilian pepper has now started to bloom, so I probably missed that with those hives. But anyway, I wonder if that queen made it. I don't know. I've never been in that hive yet. On the positive note, I have not noticed any robbing this year so far, except for when I took all the honey off the hives. That's good. Anyway, before I get started, if you have not hit that subscribe button, please do so. That would be great. I'm getting closer and closer to 1,000. I was hoping to get there soon. That'd be awesome. Anyway, yeah, hit that like button too. Let me get ready and check this hive out. And maybe we'll check that nuke and see they make queen cells. I don't know. I don't know what they're going to do in there. See you in a minute. Okay. No. I don't even care. My frame holder. Yeah. Whatever. Okay, so I don't know. I don't know what to expect. I'm hoping there's a whole bunch of eggs. Because she was doing that in there pretty good. So it's all on if they accepted her. Sorry if gosh, this is so weird. I'm borrowing this from my neighbor because my other one broke. So, yeah. Don't be angry. Please don't be angry. Let's not be angry. Let's be nice, okay? I don't feel like getting stung a whole bunch of times today. So let's not do that. Why do I only got 9 frames? 10? Okay. Why does it look like there's 9? That's weird. Okay. Sure. Why not? Why did I leave such big gaps? Holy cow. Okay, let's look in here. Cross your toes. Sorry you're so far away, but there's like a swamp right here now. So I can't keep you there because I'd have to walk through the swamp. Hey, there's brood. That's good. But are there eggs? I don't know. Let's see. No eggs so far. It could be old brood. Oh, where am I going to put this? I guess I could put it right here. Make sure my queen's not on here. I had to take my queen excluder off too, so that stinks. I like the queen excluder. I don't know why that gets a bad rap, man. It worked out great for me. I got 55 gallons this year. That's the first time ever. I've never got that many when I had no queen excluder, to be honest with you. I don't know. You do you. Everybody does their own thing. I am now a queen excluder guy. I like it. I just seem to have had so much trouble in the past trying to run that queen down without the queen excluder. She might be at the bottom. I am not seeing any eggs. Thank good. I don't know. But I don't see any swarm cell or superseder cells. Are you downstairs, girl? Ugh, come on. Come on, eggs. Where you at? Nothing yet. Oh, there's 4 eggs, 5 eggs. Oh man, that's good. That's a good sign. There's a couple eggs. All right, all right. I like it. They may have accepted it. Oh yeah, look at those eggs. Dude, that's a lot of eggs. Okay. Now I would like to see larvae because it's been 2 weeks. And if you remember, that hive never had larvae, so I don't know if there's something wrong with the eggs or something wrong with that queen. This is full of eggs though. I was hoping to see some different stages of larvae. I'm not seeing any yet. I might have to check the bottom box. Okay, let me go down next box. Let's give you a little bit more smoke, girls. I'm not blowing down inside it. Oh my gosh, our new puppy is barking like crazy. Nothing. Wow, that's a lot of pollen. That's one heck of a pollen frame there. Woo! Man, this hive needs its frames replaced or something. There's nothing but pollen in these. Okay. Sorry, I'm turning my back. I'm trying to find that right spot with the sun. Got one larvae in there. I don't know what is going on with this one. One frame with a little bit of eggs. There might be a defective queen. Oh, there's some more eggs. Huh. Interesting. I haven't seen her yet either, but I haven't really been looking for her. But she's in here. Now it's just like, it's a wonder, is she doable? Is this going to work out? These frames are so old. I hate tilting these upside down, but I gotta get the sun down there. Yeah, this one's got all kinds of eggs in it, but no larvae. Ton of eggs. Same thing, ton of eggs. And no. All right. So weird. 2 weeks. I would assume there would have been all kinds of different stages of something. Yeah, I don't know about this queen. Hmm. Interesting. Very interesting. Come on, move away, girls. Anybody ever run into this? I'd imagine. I don't know. She's laying a lot of eggs, but nothing. Whoops, nothing is developing. It's September. So my chances of finding a queen now, not the greatest. Oh well, we'll see. We'll see what happens. Check it next week. Anyway, let's check that nuke box. See if they made any queen cells. If they did, well, maybe I'll use those. Oh, so swampy. Alrighty, right there. I don't foresee anything good happening in here, but you never know. Stranger things have happened. Definitely got a lot of bees. Alright, so I'm going to separate these pretty big. Pretty wide, I mean. In case there is queen cells. Nope. No. So if there is, it's been 2 weeks. It should be getting close to being done. And I don't think there's going to be any. Gosh. I had queen cells in here. It's only been 2 weeks though. Check this out. See the torn open queen cells right here? Right there? Yeah, interesting. So I may have a virgin queen in here. Gosh, it's been, well, I guess it's been a little over 2 weeks. I mean, that's 2 queen cells right there. Look decent size. All right, let me move in the sun so I can see here. And they're calm. I guess I want to see how this plays out. They may have made a queen in September. Maybe. I don't know. It's a possibility. I mean, I am in Florida. If you have drones, you will be able to make queen cells or queens. We still got a little bit of brood in here too. Okay, well, I don't know. This one is like the other one, iffy. Sorry, girls, just crushed a bunch of bees in my finger. Come on, get in there. Oops, what was that? I swear I just flicked a virgin bee. I'm going to say it was no. It was not a virgin queen. Was it my luck? Yes, it would be my luck. All right, come on. Get off here. Get off here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get off of there. Stop it. Okay. All right, there you go. Sweet. Yeah, I don't know. I don't have high hopes for either one of those. It's unfortunate it happens this time of the year. It's unfortunate that that happened this time of the year. Not a whole lot of queens out there to be sold. You know, the queen breeders just aren't breeding them right now. So we'll see. That queen may just have a problem. That could have been what was going on the whole time. She's laying eggs, but nothing's happened with the eggs. Weird. I don't know. She was big. I mean, she looked mated. But anyway, I'll check next week, and if nothing, I don't know, keep adding frames to it, I guess, and check see if the other one made a queen. If that one made a queen, I'll just merge them. That'd be great. There was definitely queen cells in there, and they were definitely chewed out from the front. That means a queen remerged from a one cell and ripped it out. So, are there drones right now? Maybe. I don't know. I guess I could stand by something, maybe my long hive here, and see if I see a drone. Then I'll probably get stung in the face. I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, I'll check back next week, and I'll bring you along with me, and we'll check it out and see what's going on. Anyway, see y'all later. Later.